Welcome back everyone to this week's look at our price action levels 13th of October to 17th of October. Starting off with USDJPY here, got a couple of zones to watch. One is at 108.86 it starts at, and the other one here is 107.34. So look for at 107.34, look for a bounce out of there with a bullish candlestick to trade back up to 108.86. Alternatively, if it breaks this level here, then look for it to come back and retest the level to continue with this short action here. Although the US dollar has been very bullish of late, so you've got to wait for this retest before continuing short on this. If we go up here to 108.86, then look for a bearish candlestick under there to trade back down to 107.63. On EURUSD, the spot we're looking at here is around the 127.51 level. Price to pull back to that level and then go short down from there. This is obviously selling on a pullback back up to here to continue this downtrend. If we break above here, that's 127.89, I suppose 128 level. If you break above here, then look for this level to be retested to the downside before taking the trade long from there. Always wait for a retest out of these zones if it's a fresh break. So on EURUSD, 127.48 or 127.96 are the places you want to be watching. On GBPUSD, you can see these zones here. This one here at 159 level, where the price is currently stored. Look here, you can see previous support. Look to see a breakdown to that level, and then a bounce back up to 161.70 if the price is actually reversing. To get short, to continue with this downtrend, you want to be shorting around 161.70 with obviously a bearish candlestick, or 163 level. But you've got to have a bearish candlestick in here to guide you down out of these levels. If we break hard underneath this 159 level, then wait for it to be retested before continuing with this short price action. If it breaks under this level here, around the 159, then expect this to free fall a bit. But I would think there's going to be some bounces back up to here next week or the week after, and obviously the price could trade down lower. This is all to do with the US dollar strength. If the US dollar strength has been used up, then we could see the bounce back up out of here. So for GBPUSD, 159, 161.70 or 163. On AUDUSD, you can see here price is at a support level, 86.77. You can see the support here. Price has come back down and is now testing it. Let's just magnify that up a little bit. You can see it's receiving a test here. If we see bullish candlesticks out of this level, then that's the signal to go long back up to 88.42. Alternatively, if you break under this level at 86.77, then wait for that level to be retested before going short down from this level. I would actually prefer to see a pullback up here to 88.42 before going short, and then seeing a bearish candlestick down from here to continue this downtrend. So on Aussie dollar, 88.42, 86.77. On EURJPY, you can see the levels here. This level here, 135.23. As you can see here, is previous resistance, which is broken. If this breaks down here to here, it would be the first test of this level as a support level. So firstly, if we break down to 135.23, then look for long positions out of there with the appropriate price action to trade back up to 135.87 and then 136.44. So this is your first level to look for. You can see here this looks like a supporting level, but if we put a line on here, you can see it's broken this level. So you've got to wait for either a breakdown to here or a retest back up to the 136.51 level to continue this short move here back down to 135.23. But my favourite spot to buy this will be 135.23. Previous resistance here, as I said, and this will be the first test of it when it comes down to here. So EURJPY 135.23 or 136.51, looking for shorts. On GBPJPY, note this level here, 172.89, 173 level. See here, previous resistance turned into support here, broke it here, broke it back over here, had a test here, come up, and then we're back down to the 172.89 level again. So you can use this level to gauge an entry. Longs, you need a bullish candlestick to trade back up. Shorts, obviously a break under there and then a retest to show that this level has again become resistance. So on GBPJPY 172.89, and look for either a break and a retest or a bounce and a bullish candlestick. NZDUSD here, stuck in the middle of a range between 77.16 and 79.45. Positions here, sell down from 79.45. We come up to this level here, we see a bearish candlestick. Buy above 77.16 if we see a bounce here and a bullish candlestick, or a break under here and a retest at 77.16 to go short. Let me just zoom out on this chart and show you what I'm talking about. You can see where we are here, the 77.16 level, right into here, tons of support here. So obviously if it breaks under here, you wait for it to retest before carrying on short to prove that it isn't a false breakout to the downside. So again, NZDUSD 77.16 or 79.45. On USDCAD, see a previous resistance, tried it again here, then broke. It's come back here and found support, and then bounced up to this level here at 1.2234. I would like to go long on this pair, either on a break above here, the 1.2234 level. Got to let it show you first. So break, retest, then go long. You could think about going short if you wanted to with a decent enough candlestick under here, back down to 1.10924. Or if we break back down to here and you don't want to go short, then look for longs out 1.10924. So two positions here on USDCAD, or two zones to watch, 1.12234 and 1.10924. Lastly, EURAUD. You can see this strong bullish candlestick up to here. This is obviously a resistance level, 1.45577. So to get short on this, look for this to actually show us it is a resistance level, judging by the strength of this bullish candle. So look for a bearish candle under this level to bring a short back down to 143.85. If we're pushing above this level at 145.577, again break, retest, then go long. Before, you don't go long just because it pokes its head up above this line. You need it to come up and retest the level to show you that this level has in fact become support and is no longer resistance. That's one of the keys to price action trading. So EURAUD 145.577, either short or long depending upon the price action, or 143.85, best to go long there, going with this original trend here, using a bullish candlestick out of here. Here's the news for next week and important data releases. Monday expected to be quiet. You've got USD bank holiday, which is Columbus Day. In Canada, Thanksgiving Day. And in Japan, Health Sports Day, whatever that's got to do with. Anyway, you've got three holidays there on three major banks, so that's on Monday. So expect the markets to be quite quiet on Monday. Tuesday, ZEW, that can move the markets if it's a big difference from what's forecast. That's 11 AM. Wednesday we've got Draghi talking, and the normal news, claim account change on GBP, etc, etc. So nothing much there to really worry us. There's no NFPs or anything this week. Draghi talking is the one that can move things around, and he's also talking, well, he's actually talking twice that day. He's talking at 8 PM and at 9 AM. Let's see what he's doing. 7th Statistic Conference organised, European Central Bank. Yep, so he's talking twice at 2 different events on Wednesday, so be careful of what he has to say. Thursday, usual USD unemployment claims, and Friday, Yellen is talking at the Boston Conference of Inequality on Business Opportunity. So, few events there, notable ones, Mr. Draghi talking twice on Wednesday. So that's it for this week's check of our price action levels and a brief look at the news. If you like what we do here, please tick the like box, subscribe, or send me a comment, and we'll see you next week.